Okay, welcome to my tutorial on how to save a document as a PDF. Most of you probably already know how to do this. It's not difficult at all. I just want to walk you through a quick way to submit your essays. As you go forward, you will submit your essays as a PDF, not as a Google Doc to share with me. There are several reasons for why I want this. One is because I want it in a format that is not changeable, but that I can still leave editing comments on. I would like it to be finalized each time you publish it, and then we will go from there. So we'll talk about how to modify it. Okay, so what you do, you have your Word document open and you've written your text, however long it is, and all you do is you click on File. Okay, so in my instance, because mine is on autosave, I have to save it as a copy. I'm going to save it to this PC. My title already comes up because that's what I've titled the document. Here I have a drop-down menu. So instead of just automatically saving as a Word document, I want it to save as a PDF. So I click on PDF and then save. I already have this file saved because this is my fourth take on this video, but that's okay. So I'm going to say yes, and then it will pop up as a PDF, and there it is. And then you will submit that PDF to me when you are ready. Keep in mind, PDFs are not editable once you have saved them as a PDF. There are reasons why I want you to do this. I want you to be able to retain your drafts. It is going to require a little bit of legwork on your part to do some revisions, but it's also going to make your final portfolio stronger. So just trust me on this one, okay? So I hope that's helpful. And thanks for watching. See you soon.